Hey, it's Bounty again, and I got my Blackstone griddle all put together now. I'm heating it up, and I really don't know the name of this, but I think everybody knows what it is. What I'm doing, I'm heating it up for about 15 minutes. I've got some flat cooking oil, and that is what I'm going to be treating this with. I've already treated it one time with regular corn oil, and I've done a little research and heard this is probably the best that I could use is the flax oil. So it's perfect for heating and cooking. So the way I've seen it is I need to let let everything get hot for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take some napkins, some Bounty napkins. No, I'm not endorsed by them, but I would like to be endorsed by them. But anyway, Bounty napkins, the quicker picker-upper. So pretty much what I'm going to do is it's getting around about 10 minutes. I'm starting to get the coloration that they said that I would get. I'm going to go ahead and start applying some of the oil. It says you don't need a whole lot. You don't need so much that it let me do like this right here so I don't burn myself. Let me get some tongs. Yeah, so what to treat these things, to cure the grill, you're supposed to turn it on high for about 15 minutes, get it good and hot. Same thing with this here too, so I'm gonna bring it up to the side. You know what? I believe I'm gonna wait a second on this. So let me set it down here where it ain't gonna burn me or anybody. Set it like that. So now what I'm going to do, this is essentially just like curing a cast iron skillet. But now that I've got that like that right there, I'm going to go ahead and, I'm gonna knock stuff down. Put some in here. She is hot. She is hot. So now I want to take that oil. Boy, that smells wonderful. Got a really good smell. So I just want to make sure that I'm coating it. Ooh, I don't want to scrape. I make sure I'm coating it really well. You can see where this thing's going to be the hottest, where the dark spots are at. Now that I got it covered, good and covered with oil, I'm going to turn it off. Alright, and I just want to make a good thin layer of oil where it just coats it, I've heard people that use like bacon grease to try to cure them. They swear by that. My grandma said that bacon grease is the worst thing for a skillet. She did not like to cook bacon. Mainly she fried chicken and stuff in her skillets when I was a kid. So she never had a problem. I know one of the biggest time, I would always try to help Grandma to do the dishes sometimes. I remember one time that I was doing the dishes and I had her iron skillet in there and I was washing it out. And she said, no, it's cured. You're taking the cure out of it. You can't wash it like that. And that's when I found out about I'll throw that right there, pick that up in a minute. That's when I found out about curing. So, and I was at 13 or 14, got a little dust on it, little paper balls on there I need to get up. But I've got a good thick layer on there. Man, it got a little bit too much. Good Lord. But I did wash this thing too before I, the first thing I done was wash to get all the machine oil and whatever it is from the factory. I did wash it, and then this is my second coat, so I'm gonna let it cool, and then I got a couple little paper fragments that's bothering me right now, but I'm gonna cook on it tonight, and then I'm gonna wash it all down again tomorrow, and well, not wash it with soap now, but I'm gonna wash it all down the way it's supposed to, and then I'm gonna re-cure it again. And you know, I'm tickled to death with this. This is exactly what I wanted. I'll give you a little tour right quick. Let me grab the camera. So it's Blackstone. It's got auto igniters, a place for your hangs your tank. It's well balanced from the handle right here. Like it takes little to no effort whatsoever to move this thing. This thing does. It's got some little clip stuff where it folds to take this bolt out right here. Take that bolt out right here and unhook your tank. This thing will fold down and collapse to where you can put it just about anywhere. I need to get rid of all my cans over there. But yeah, I'm satisfied. For $200, you can't beat it. You know, I looked at a bigger one, but you know, for what I'm going to do with it, I think this is perfect. And it's mobile enough that I can take it, you know, we can go on a picnic somewheres, or I don't know, I really like this thing. So I'm going to be doing videos showing how I cook and some of the things that that I learned, you know, as a country boy living with his grandma. So yeah, I'm ready to start cooking. I'm hungry now. I'm just waiting for this thing to set up so I can start cooking some burgers. I got me some New York strip ground burgers. Tongue's gonna be slapping my brains out tonight, I can tell you that. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed and liked and shared, I would appreciate to do all three. But if you just do one of them, hey, I'm fine with that too. Love you, mean it. Thanks for watching.